Let's see how to add footer in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to add a footer to your document, first click on the Insert tab and look for the header and footer section right here. And to add a footer, click on Footer. Now, from here, you can select your pre-made footer. So for example, if you want a blank footer with one part, a pre-column footer, or other types of formatted footers right here. And you can also edit your footer if you want to customize it a bit more to your liking. And to make it even easier without going through all of that, what you can do is simply double click at the bottom of the page, and that should directly add or move to the footer section of your document. And you'll also notice that we have the header and footer tab open right here on our ribbon. And from here, you can edit your footer. You can change it to different styles, and you can even change the formatting for the footer of each page. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.